What up, everybody? It's your girl, Watch Me Cough, and welcome back to my channel. It's Mukbang Sunday. It's Mukbang Sunday. For those of you that are subscribed and have been here, welcome back. For anybody that's new, welcome. Today we're eating. Every Sunday we eat, actually. And today we're trying something that I have not yet tried on my channel. So let's get into it. From the thumbnail, you can already tell what we're trying. We're trying Habit Burger today. I have got a couple things here for us to try, so let's jump right in. I'm excited. I got their double char burger. I got their Parmesan fries. And I got their grilled chicken sandwich on ciabatta with teriyaki. I got a couple sides of their ranch and their barbecue as well. So what should we try first? Should we get into these French fries? Let's try these French fries. They don't look, they look a little sad. I'm not gonna lie, they look a little sad. These look, it looks like they could do a little better if they tried a little harder. But we're not gonna judge off appearance. We're gonna just give these a try, okay? We're not judging, y'all. We're giving these a try. All right. Not much crunch, but okay. The ranch is good. These fries, they could use a little work, okay? I thought there was gonna be a little garlic, a little parsley on these. There's not. There's literally just some Parmesan sprinkled on top. So do with that what you will. Last one. Y'all, I am stuffed up today. The pollen is getting to me. There's thick layers of it on the car when I come out to it. And I've just been so stuffed up. Got myself a little Diet Coke. Oh, man. Okay. All right, I'm going to unwrap this other burger. All right, so I got it all unwrapped. Let's show a little close up. It looks pretty good. Looks pretty dang good. Once again, I'm fighting with my cameras. That's fun. That's so much fun for me, y'all. All right, let's give this a go. Yummy. Yeah. Yes. I haven't eaten burgers on my channel in a hot minute. For those of you that don't eat that, you have to. Eat all that cheese off the tray or off the wrapper. This is good. This is really good. I'm gonna put my hair up. I am not trying to fight with my hair on mukbang. No. Not doing it. Okay. Let's do a little ranch with it. Do a little ranch. Ooh. How was y'all's week? You know, I gotta ask. Put that ranch on there. Okay. That was pretty good. Look at this bite. It's juicy. That is a juicy bite. Let's go with it. Okay. It's messy. So messy. All right, if I'm gonna rate, those fries are like a 3 out of 10. This is hitting the spot. That burger was like an 8.5 out of 10. Okay. I don't really have to unwrap this, so I can kind of just open this up. I don't have to. There we go. Okay, this is the grilled chicken. Ooh. This is the grilled chicken. Teriyaki on ciabatta. So, a little bit of a healthier option over that, ooh. It is juicy. It's got a lot of liquid on the bottom there. All right, I will put this up. Hopefully I don't. Here we go. All right. Gosh dang it, y'all. Hate this camera sometimes. Okay, here we go. Messy. Wow. That is really good. It's a chicken breast. Little ranch. Happy dance. Okay. There could definitely be more teriyaki on that. I don't really taste any on there, but it is good. Okay. Let's do another bite. That was bomb. Here's a little tomato. Yeah. Pretty good. I'm gonna finish this half. If I had to grade this one, let's go with man, it's good. 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. Yeah, I am stuffed. Oh my God. Got half a burger left. Ooh. And this is my first meal today. Filled me right up. That was good. I'm gonna be a short one today. Whew. I am so full. I'm stuffed. That meal was pretty satisfying. I would probably give it like a 7.5 to 8 out of 10. So I would definitely recommend it if it's in your area. I would try some other things on there too the next time I go. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm going to say. Hit that subscribe button and that post notification button so you're notified every single time I post a video, which is easy because it's Sunday. Y'all already know that. I post videos on Sundays, mukbangs, eating shows. So if you want to see me eat and try new things, make sure you're subscribed. Until next Sunday, I love y'all so much. Bye. Bye.